Hi, today in front of me NOKIA G60 and I'll show you how to change icons shape with the Icon Changer app on that device. So first let's open the Play Store application because we should get the X Icon Changer app from here. So now here in the search bar we should enter X Icon Changer and we should get this first application. That's why I tap to install and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should just click here to open the app. And here we can see all the available applications. For example, let's select the phone app. If you want to rename the app, you should click here on this icon. We can select our new icons from these folders. We have here the library with different folders with the icons. Also, we can use photo from our device gallery or use the camera app right now just to take a picture. For example, I'll use this one. This is the phone app, so let's use this icon. Click now on the right upper corner to OK. Now we just should skip this video. So just click here add to home screen. We can go to the desktop directly or to change the next icon by the same way. And now we can see here the new icon and the regular one. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.